G'day rock and rollers and welcome to the most colourful channel here on YouTube. We are the Paintslingers. I'm Torbs.
And I'm Chris, and our mission here is to make you into a master of decorating so you can create your own dream space for you and your family.
Today we're kicking off a new little segment on this channel called Quick Tip Tuesdays, where we take a question, a frequently asked question on house, and then try to answer it to the best of our ability.
But why should you trust us for a reliable answer when it comes to home decor and painting and decorating? Well, we've got almost 45 years between us of experience running several businesses in 3 countries.
All right, enough of the small talk. Let's do this. Alright, today's question comes from Caroline, who writes,
I tried to paint over my bathroom wall today and the paint is literally peeling off like wallpaper. Does anyone have any idea of what could be causing it and the potential solutions? This is actually something we've seen on plenty of jobs, and by the pictures and the descriptions she provides, it's probably the same problem.
Yeah, traditionally bathrooms are painted in either a semi-gloss or a glossy finish. And the reason for that is that it doesn't absorb water and is easy to maintain. That is, it's easy to wipe off and keep clean. But left to its own devices, and if the walls aren't actually cleaned on a regular basis, there will be a buildup of grimy grease and mildew because of the humid and damp conditions of the bathroom. Therefore, if you paint straight on that, the paint will have absolutely nothing to adhere to.
So to fix this problem, Caroline, I'm afraid you're gonna have to peel off all the loose paint and basically start again.
Rough job, but it has to be done.
So after you've peeled off all the loose paint, I'd recommend that you clean the walls with a detergent, sand the walls back a little bit, then apply a primer, a suitable primer for the walls, and then finally you can paint with the colour of your choice. Done.
Anyway, hope this helped a little bit, and we wish you the best and good luck with your project.
Well, that was all from us today, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do, and we'll see you next time.
Take care.